Hi, this is Karen with WTI. Not all my carpets can be thrown in the washing machine and get them clean. And my kitchen mat was in a great need to be clean. And this spin scrubber by Leebein has been a saver for me. I just use a little bit of water and cleaning product, and I didn't even need to put a lot of pressure. And it took me only a few minutes to get this mat clean. I didn't need to break my back. The scrubber did it all by itself. And look at this mat, it's just super clean. I love how easy it is to clean this type of mats. And it has two speed control or working speeds. It has a low speed or a high speed, and I use it depending on what is it that I'm cleaning. And it's so versatile that I can also use it on my stainless steel kitchen sink. And it just cleans it up, it polishes. I love that. So with this scrubber, I can work smarter and not harder. And that's my point of view.